The funny thing happened to me this morning. But let me tell it like a story. Let me tell it like how it happened, chronologically. I was outside, so I take a walk, while talking to one of my other sisters. Finish with that conversation, I take another lap around the block. I got a call from my other sister. And the first thing she said when I answered, "Yeah, PNP?" Serious. Serious, she was dead serious, she not joke. Do you want to say, "Yeah, PNP?" So I said, "Why you ask? Do you want to say, no, me I tell you the truth, me don't watch a video them? When I see a video them, I skip it." When next sister just send me your link to your live last night, because she said live I go and could have me tell you the truth, me tell her I not watch it. Because you're PNP. You sound like you're PNP and I said nothing good about JLP. So people, there you have it. I kid you not. My own sister renounced me because she said me a PNP. The ladies say are friend them, people in their community and say, "Yo, we think they are JLP. Where your brother a PNP, wagwan. You man say your mother and father and a PNP, how you a PNP? Mind you, my one sister accused me of being a PNP. Mind you, I'm not a PNP nor a JLP. I just do my videos and talk things how I see them. I've bashed both JLP and PNP. But anyways, like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear your thoughts. Have this ever happened to you? Have you had a familial conflict when it comes down to political affiliations?